Okay, so today we have come up with new company that is the Quest. So Quest is hiring for one minute. Yeah, Quest is hiring for the engineers. So this is I've taken some pics from their offices. So this is how their office look like. Quest. This is the link where you can go and apply. When you click on that link, so it will route you to this is the official website. This is the official website for Quest company where you'll find all the information about the jobs and openings. And this is the button here you'll have to click uh, when you have to apply. So it will route you to the apply page. So this position is for Java developer, and I think they have opened it for two locations. And this is full-time regular job. Mm, yeah, this is the detail of it. You know. So Quest Global Off Campus 2025. Company name is Quest Global Java Developer Role. Expected salary is up to 7 lakh per annum. Okay, two location I was saying so Pune and Bangalore. This is meant for the freshers, but I believe like 0 to 2 years they also can apply for this. This is official website where I got this information. Apply date is as soon as possible. So today is the date, 27th December. I am recording this video. Okay, so apply it as early as possible. Right now, this opening is there available. Link will be active, but if link is not opening, that means it got expired. So make sure that you apply as soon as possible. So description: we are currently seeking a highly skilled and experienced Java developer to join our team. There they have written freshers, but here it looks like experience. But I believe if freshers they also can apply. I would say 0 to 2 years they can go for it. Prepare well and have great skill about the Java technology. Know about all the frameworks, ORM, Hibernate, and front end related thing, back end related thing. DevOps concepts, SDLC, all that. It's a full-time regular basis. As a Java developer, you will be responsible for developing and maintaining high quality software application using Java programming language. So this is they have clearly specifying that this is for the Java programmers, developers good in Java programming. Your roles would be designing, coding, debugging software application using Java programming. So currently JDK I think 21 or 22 would be there. Collaborate cross-functional team. That means you should connect with QA team, then DevOps team, then various stakeholders, managers, any other team is there, UI UX, designers. So you should communicate with them to define design and ship new features. Conducting thorough testing and quality assurance of software applications. So you'll be connecting with the tester, and you'll be connecting with DevOps. You'll be connecting with the designer team, and finally in the journey of HDLC, your project should be completed, and that should be deployed in a successful way. Troubleshooting and resolving software defects and issues. So you'll be keep on doing troubleshooting or any bug or anything is there in between. That also you'll have to take care. That means it would also be kind of maintenance work or ongoing project or any new features or any new requirement comes. So you need to take care of those new features or requirements as and when they're coming. Participating in code reviews to ensure the code quality and adhere to the coding standards. So Code review basically is a process where one of the team member from your team will connect with you and other person. So he'll check your code and he will suggest some standard practices, or you follow microservices. So as per that, anything is there, so he'll guide you on that. Or maybe if you do code review for him, so he will suggest as per the standards. So that is how code review happens, keeping up to date with the latest industry trends, technologies in Java development. So latest trend would be like Spring and Spring Boot is there. The latest version. Spring Boot is 3.x, Spring is 6.x. Then JDK I already said like 21, 22 is going on. So all that, then SQL side or no SQL side databases, that also you need to take care. Then REST implementations, all that will come. Then ORM thing should be followed. Different kind of databases, or maybe Kafka for event driven or messaging services. Or we have got microservices architecture. So all that you should be applying and using them. So this would be their expectation. Now requirement, add-on requirement they have given, like, so bachelor degree in computer science or related field. So they're not restricting any double E or mechanical civil person. So you can, double E people or electrical electronics people. Sure, you can apply for this role. Proven experience as Java developer and strong understanding Java programming language at its ecosystem. So I believe people having little more skill about Java would be preferred. So when you go for interview, so showcase your deep understanding about the technology. Read interview questions based on Java, which would be available on the internet, and practice as maximum as possible. Practice some code from lead code also, okay, and so that you'll have great understanding about it. Solid knowledge of object-oriented programming principles and design patterns. So read about solid principles, then various design approaches, design patterns. So this is something like they ask in the interviews what solid principle you aware of, standard practices, design patterns, various patterns, singleton, prototype, or you have got around 22 to 25 designing patterns are available that you should know. Experience in Java, frameworks such as Spring, Hibernate, Spring Boot, all that. Familiarity with the front-end technology like HTML, CSS, JavaScript. I would suggest Angular nowadays kind of very much preferred, or you can also have the knowledge about the React. Strong problem solving and analytical skills will be preferred, so that any problem that comes that requires the logic dynamically you'll have to think, so that will be preferred. Excellent communications and teamwork abilities. So obviously communication skills, so that you can talk to your senior, junior, or communicate with people in order to solve your problems and master your deadlines. Ability to work independently and meet project deadlines. This is very important nowadays, because nowadays we follow the microservices pattern. So end-to-end, development can be carried by one single individual. So many of the time, one individual will task, maximum of the responsibility. So they prefer nowadays, person can do end-to-end deployment or completion of the project. So I think that's it. Okay, so this is the link. I'll add it. You can apply through this link. This link I'll add it in the descriptions. Okay, try to apply as early as possible. Okay, thanks. All the best.